Good morning, guys. This is me again, Sir Alan. And for today's session, we have translate verbal phrases into mathematical equation. Okay, so wag na natin patatagalin pa. Let's try and do example number 1. So problem number 1, if a square of a number is added to 3 times a number, the sum is 108. So let's find the number. So in this case, since di natin alam yung number, so let's try to put a variable. So gagamitin natin is x. Let x be the number. Be the number. Sorry, yun yung number. Then the first situation there, if a square of a number is added to 3 times a number, so therefore square of a number, so therefore x squared. The number is being squared. So it's added to 3 times a number. This is, the other one is 3 times a number. 3 times a number. The sum is 108. So if they are added, the sum is 108. So therefore we have x squared plus 3x is equal to 108. Okay, let's then solve for x. So this is x squared plus 3x is equal to 108. So transpose into a standard form of a quadratic equation, then we have x squared plus 3x minus 108 is equal to 0. So in solving this, guys, we can use factoring. Factoring gagamitin natin para mas mabilis. So let's try to find factors of 108. So factors are 54 and 2, 9 and 12. Meron ba guys? 108 and 1. And 3 and 36. Okay. So how to determine the factors? So tignan natin yung 3x dyan sa linear part. So babalik tayo doon is pag nagsusubtract or pag nag-a-add tayo, lalabas yung linear part. So in that case, gagamitin natin dyan is 9 and 12. Pag nag-subtract tayo, lalabas is 3, right? So there you have it. Our factors are x is equal to 0. So 9 and 12. So since our constant part is negative, either of our factors are positive and negative. So let's try to look at linear part. Since this is positive, so therefore our bigger number has the positive sign. So there you have it, guys, our factors. I hope you follow, okay? So therefore, solving the equation separately, we have x minus 9 is equal to 0. And x plus 12 is equal to 0. So by transposing negative 9, we have x is equal to positive 9. And the other part is x is equal to negative 12. So there you have it, guys. Our answers are positive 9 and negative 12. Okay? Okay, I hope you follow, guys. Okay, let's try example number 2. 7 times a certain integer is equal to 5 more than twice its square. So find the integer. So let x be our integer, guys. So let x be our integer. Okay, let's go over the details. So 7 times a certain integer. So 7 times x. So this is 7x. 7 times a certain integer is equal to 5 more than twice its square. So this is 5 more than twice its square. So therefore, we have 2x squared plus 5. This is 5 more than twice its square. So added 5 when x is multiplied to 2 squared. Okay? So let's find the integer. So this is 7x is equal to 2x squared plus 5. So paano isosolve natin to is form into a standard form of a quadratic equation. So we have, just transpose 7x on the other side, we have 2x squared minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then we have to factor out your constant part. So factors are 5 and 1. So therefore, factors are 2x, x, then we have 5 and 1 is equal to 0 by using zero product property of the real number. So therefore, what is the sign is positive. So therefore, these both are negative and negative. Bakit? When negative and negative multiplied, we have positive. Added is negative. So therefore, let's perform. Let's try if these factors are correct. Okay, by using FOIL method. FOIL. So first is 2x squared. Next is negative 2x. Next is negative 5x. And positive 5. So this is negative 7x. So therefore, this is correct. So solve is to equate to 0 and solve separately. So this is 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. And the other is x minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore, transpose your negative 5 to the other side. We have 2x is equal to positive 5. Getting the x is to divide both sides by the variable. So 2. So we have x is equal to 5 halves. And the other one is x is equal to positive 1. So there you have it, guys. Our answers are 5 over 2 and x is equal to 1. I hope you follow, guys. Okay? That is enough for today's session, and I hope you guys understand our lesson. And thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, Alano TV Official. And I hope to see you guys for more videos.